Hey budget friend, welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you guys the first month of 2022 savings challenge that I will be doing and some of the challenges that I will be doing over the course of this year. If you are new to the channel, I am an Australian cash stuffer and I use the zero-based budget method. And this is the saving challenges that I have allocated money towards. And if you are interested, stick around. But yeah, let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so before I open this savings challenge binder, I've always had this binder. I got it from Officeworks. But I noticed that last year I was always constantly trying to create new envelopes for the certain challenges, and yeah, I'm just like, I just don't I don't know, I just don't have time for that kind of creative space really to do that consistently over the next course of this year. So what I'll be showing you is my new envelopes that I created. I might offer it through my Etsy store for only maybe a handful of people, only because they do there's a lot of effort put into it. So these are my new saving envelopes, and you might notice there's little pictures on them. There is a reason for those pictures to be on that particular month, and I will reveal to you guys each month what it means. But for now, we're just going to flick through them to see, yeah, just my new envelopes that I honestly cannot wait to be using. So we've got the January envelope. Flicking through. I'll put them here. So we've got February. How cool is this? They're so cool. We've got the March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And then the two challenges that I did last year, I'm going to carry them over. So his challenge and her challenge. So let's flick through, go back to January. So January, I've chosen to do this New Year's challenge, which is start 2022 with a bang. So each week I'll be corresponding with this letter and how much they represent. So that is my January challenge, and these two cups is representation of champagne and bubbles, and yeah, just celebrating 2022. I will also be doing the 100 envelope challenge. Now this will look a bit different. This is the coinless envelope challenge, and I created this just something a bit different to others who use the like envelope pictures. Mine's just, you know, envelopes going down, and 100 goes towards the 5,500. These two is bonuses that you can do. If not, you might not even do this 100. They're just, yeah, extra money. But it's pretty much 95, 85, 75, 65, 55 all going, but the E is different. So you've got two 100s here, and you've got 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. So they're all coinless, and I will be doing this within first half of the year. I am hoping that I can complete it. And the reason for it, why I'm doing a 100 envelope challenge, let me get it, is I have created the target challenge for 2023, and I want to be 1 year ahead like always. So I've got my 2022 expense money, bill money already paid, already saved. Now I worked out that if I do save all this money, it'll equate to that amount, and this is for 2023. Knowing the grand total amount, I had to find a challenge that I could do within a certain amount of months to reach that. Obviously, it's not 7,000. This is 5,500, but I will be pairing it up with other challenges, which I'll show you guys once we stuff the January one. So let's stuff this one. So we will be stuffing $20. So 20 right here. So we are done stuffing January challenge. So now with his challenge, I've given two different options. I will be, by the time you guys see this, there will be 4 different options to do this challenge. I think it's super cool, and just I really like the design. So I will be doing a 1,500 challenge in 50 weeks and a 2,500 in 50 weeks. Now it has changed from last year's one, where I only did it within 40 weeks. This one's a whole year's worth. However, it's missing 2 weeks. Now the reason for it is that I want to give leeway for those times where you just couldn't save, a certain amount of money. That is the week. So you've pretty much have 2 weeks leeway. So those 2 challenges will contribute 1,500 will contribute to the target expense challenge, and so is the same goes with my challenge. So it's the same concept, same amount, and this 1,500 will go towards the target challenge. However, with this amount, I honestly don't know yet. So yeah, we will see. So we're saving that money, which let's just do it together now. So, okay, so with the 1,000, let me just scooch this one over. So 1,500, we're going to put a $20 in. So let's mark that one off. So 20. And then with this one, we're going to put $30 to start off. I might just do boxes so I know. Whoopsies. So 20, 30. So yeah. I'll quickly put that one there. And okay, so we're going to do the same with my challenge. We're going to put 20 in this challenge, And all of these challenges are available for purchase on my Etsy store. And by the time you guys see this, there will be 4 different options. 2,500 challenge, her challenge, will be getting 20 as well. So let's do this 20 here. So 20. So we are done stuffing both of her challenge. Now this is the exciting part, which I have been honestly dying to stuff, which is my cash envelope little tin box. I do have 3 of them, so if they don't all fit, I'm not too bothered because there's 3 boxes for that. So let me change this up. Okay, so with this challenge, I will be doing E. Let's start off with a big bang. So E with $100, which is right here. E, and then 2 ends, 25, 25. Now, I forgot to mention, there's only 9 25s, like 9 35s and stuff, but this row here is based on like 20, 30, 40, 50s. So you got one row where there's no 5s. Anyway, so 2 ends, which is 25. So 1, 2. Sorry for the glare. So let's stuff that together. So 100, and what I do is just roll that up and put it in here. So 100 is done, and then 25, and we just do the same. I'm so excited to be stuffing this. I can't wait for the end result, and I definitely want to have this amount, well, this little white bit here at the end, so that when I do flick through, I don't see the amount. It's all a surprise, even though obviously this shows, but you know, surprise. So 25. Oops. Okay, so now let's put these 2 back into the spot. That's 45, that's 25. And this one into the 100. Woo! Will it fit? Yes, it will. So let's quickly mark that one down. So our E, N, N. So that's how I am doing this envelope challenge, and there is all different colors to it, but I'm also when you guys do see this video, there should be options with the amount of envelope stuffing, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. So that is done. Actually, this $10 is for my son, and oh my goodness, I'll leave a photo for you guys when me and my son went to change the coins. Now I had a big Money Honey jar for those who are OGs with my channel, and I went and swapped out the coins. Now we have come back with the grand total of 150, 60, 75, $175. And what I've decided is I will be putting it into the envelope. Now obviously I could honestly put it towards my sinking funds. However, I just want to, put as many extra money towards this envelope and ultimately towards the target bills that I have in 2023. So let's quickly take this one out. And this is all spontaneous. I haven't actually budgeted this. So with this 100, I'm going to take the other 100 here for E. So let me find that one. So E. And then, so E, and then we have 50. Let's hit a big one. Let's do, let's do a 50. No, let's do a 65. Yes. Or should I do a 25? No, let's do a 65. So let me hit one big one off. So 60, 50, 65. And let's make sure that that particular section of the money shows. So we are done with those two. So 165. So let's mark that one off. So E and 65. So that is what we can do with that particular, my coins money. And I'll just put it right back in its normal spot. Okay, so we are actually done. This $10, what am I going to do? I'll put it in the next week's cash stuffing. So I'll put that with the next week's cash stuffing. So thank you so much for joining me. That was, hopefully that wasn't all over the place. I'm going to keep moving this mini template tracker throughout the month, just so that I know that I have that challenge going as well on top of my monthly challenges and my his and her. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys kind of understand the process of why I'm doing certain challenges, and hopefully you guys like my new envelopes. So without further ado, I'll let you guys go. Bye.